Have you ever wondered how to make the most out of your gaming experience? If you're a fan of Xbox Game Pass, there's exciting news on the horizon. Before diving in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Um, Starting January 7th, Microsoft is rolling out significant changes to Game Pass, particularly for PC users. Um, this update introduces a new rewards system allowing players aged 18 and older to earn points through engaging quests. The goal is to enhance the gaming experience while promoting mature content. Xbox Game Pass is a treasure trove of games available for a monthly fee, offering various subscription options from the broad. Um, Players can earn points by completing specific quests, which can be redeemed for a range of rewards. With the upcoming changes, even PC Game Pass users can join in on the fun titled messages and I don't know what, however, we need. The new quests will be accessible through the rewards hub for those with an active subscription. However, it's important to note that only games from the Game Pass catalog will qualify, and players must log at least 15 minutes of gameplay to earn points. The revamped system includes daily, weekly, and monthly challenges. For instance, players can earn 10 points daily by playing any Game Pass title for just 15 minutes. Weekly streaks are back, rewarding players who game for at least 5 days a week with increasing point multipliers. Additionally, players can explore the catalog through monthly packs when they can earn rewards by playing 4 or 8 different games. This encourages gamers to try out new titles and expand their gaming horizons. For those dedicated to their gaming routine, a weekly bonus of 150 points awaits players who meet the 5-day play requirement. However, it's crucial to remember that these rewards are exclusively for adults, as Microsoft aims to create a safe and age-appropriate environment. In a lighthearted twist, it seems like the only thing younger players can earn is a lesson in patience while waiting for their turn. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll see you next time.